Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the model and confirming access. This matters because quality and cost differ. Once done, gather 3 reference images that capture composition and mood so the generator has clear guidance. Make sure to set resolution and output format now. Higher pixels give detail but use more compute. Then craft the first concise prompt: subject, style, lighting, mood. Keep it action-oriented so the model produces a usable first draft quickly. You refine by iterating. Change one variable per run to learn its effect. Start with adjectives and camera terms to shape look, then tweak guidance scale to balance creativity versus fidelity. Use image-to-image or in-painting when you need structure preserved. This lets you merge references with new elements. Once you see a promising output, save the seed and parameter set so you can reproduce or vary it systematically. Repeat until composition, color, and detail match. You finish by exporting the highest quality version and applying small edits in a photo editor for cleanup, crop, color grade, or remove artifacts. If outputs show odd artifacts or warped anatomy, lower image-to-image strength or increase sampling steps to stabilize details. If style is off, add explicit artist/style references and increase guidance scale. Conversely, reduce guidance to get more creative variation. One troubleshooting tip: when stuck, revert to the saved seed and tweak a single parameter to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.